Imagine a location so strategically sensitive that a single strike could ignite an international crisis involving two nuclear-armed powers. This place is Bushehr, situated on Iran's southern coast, overlooking the Persian Gulf. This photo shows the exterior of the Bushehr Nuclear Power Plant. Officially, it is a civilian energy station, operating under the oversight of international inspectors. But as military tensions in the region have increased, Bushehr has moved to the center of emergency briefings and diplomatic warnings. Recent explosions reported nearby have once again raised the same urgent question for planners in Washington and Tel Aviv. Bushehr functions as a strategic deterrent that limits the scope of American and Israeli military options. This portrait shows Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, whose government first launched Iran's nuclear program in the 1970s. At the time, Western governments actually supported the effort to diversify Iran's energy sources. The original contract to build the Bushehr reactors belonged to the German engineering firm Siemens. The 1979 Islamic Revolution ended that partnership. During the subsequent Iran-Iraq War, air attacks left the unfinished reactors in ruins, where they remained abandoned for over a decade. In the 1990s, Moscow stepped in to finish the facility using Russian technology, turning the site into a massive symbol of collaboration between Russia and Iran. This interior view shows the technicians required to maintain the plant. Under the current agreement, Russia's state corporation, Rosatom, supplies the fuel and maintains a permanent presence of engineers on site. This arrangement embeds Russian citizens inside one of Iran's most sensitive locations. Their presence creates a human tripwire, ensuring that any foreign strike risks killing Russian nationals. While the human deterrent is significant, the plant's true power comes from its specific coordinates on the map. This map shows the proximity between the reactors and the Strait of Hormuz, a critical global maritime artery. This data visualization illustrates the immense volume of oil bottlenecking through the strait. Roughly 1/5 of the global total passes through this narrow passage every day. Russian nuclear officials have used this geography to demand a safety zone around the plant. They argue that a single stray projectile could trigger a regional catastrophe, affecting every country on the Persian Gulf. The International Atomic Energy Agency has issued its own warnings, stating that targeting nuclear infrastructure can cause cascading failures in power and cooling systems. A military miscalculation at Bushehr would instantly freeze shipping through the strait, turning a local radiation leak into a worldwide energy market collapse. Iran leverages these risks to its diplomatic advantage during every period of escalation. Tehran uses nearby explosions to frame Western or Israeli actions as a reckless threat to Russian personnel and global nuclear safety. This creates paralysis for planners in Washington. It is difficult to justify a tactical strike when the risk includes a direct conflict with Moscow and a global economic crash. This demonstrates a 21st century paradigm of warfare, victory achieved by building infrastructure that is simply too dangerous for an enemy to attack. Bushehr's primary product is strategic deterrence. Any military action taken near it could permanently reshape the balance of power across the Middle East.